Alright guys, Madam Peku Africa is here, and as you can see, our new Banana Island is now available. Straight up. See, if you never buy land, you never land. I mean, you don't know. If you don't know, make I tell you now. One sweet thing about our new Banana Island is because of the area where the land is located. If you get land there, you're automatically among the millionaires of Port Harcourt. The land I'm talking about is located off Peter Odili Road, and is selling for just 6 million naira for now. This same land was selling less than 3 million naira just less than a year ago, and today I'm telling you 6 million. It might surprise you that by the time you call me next time, it will be 7 million. So just pick your phone sharply and dial this number 09034296519. Just call Madam Peku Africa that you want 1 plot or 2 plots or 3 or 5 or 10 plots of the Banana Island. I will just carry you go for inspection. You see the land where you won't buy, and then you sharply pay your money. If you pay your money, your documents will arrange them for you. The sweet thing is say that document you are not paying any extra charges for it. Nothing like agent fee, nothing like push entry, nothing like community money. Everything is taken care of by Mercy Homes and Properties. Your owners, you pay for the land, you get peace of mind, you collect your documents. That's all. You go lie down and sleep. If you want build come, you continue or you start your building. If you want keep the land, may you sell later, you go keep and sell later. So, what are you wait for? Dial the number for your call.